Keenan here. I just got back from a 1,300-mile road trip from the Upper Peninsula, Michigan to Connecticut, and I made a stop at the Rivian factory. Now, this isn't going to be one of those videos that talks about how bad the public charging infrastructure is, because it really was no problem. So on day one, I left Marquette, Michigan with 100% charge. I headed down to the Chargepoint charger in Mackinac City, charged up to 80%, and then I hit the Rivian Adventure Network charger in Grayling and charged to 80% there. Then I got to Grand Rapids with about 20% state of charge. I stayed at the Amway Grand Plaza. They had EV chargers, so I charged up there maybe about 50%. It was pretty slow. I walked over to the Z-Bar in Grand Rapids and got the nachos. They were really good. The next morning, I hit the Electrify America at Myers in Hudsonville, Michigan. No problems there. Next, I hit the Electrify America in Joliet, Illinois. No problem there either. From there, I went to the Rivian factory. Now, I wasn't able to get a tour, but I went inside the lobby. I got a coffee, and you can see the production line from there. Pretty cool experience. The factory's way bigger than I thought it was. You can tell they're growing fast. There were like no parking spots available, and there were Rivians all over. So there, I hit the Electrify America station in Bloomington, charged up to 80%, and then hit the Myers in Champaign, Illinois, ending up in Indianapolis, Indiana. I had dinner at the Fujiyama Steakhouse of Japan. It was really good. The next day was going to be tough. I had to do 831 miles to get back to Connecticut. So I charged up at 8 times at Electrify America's, either at Walmart's or Sheetz. During this entire trip, I didn't have to wait at a single charger. The charging speeds were great. I was getting over 150 kilowatts at each charge stop. There definitely were a few dispensers that were broken, but I just moved over to the next one, and I made sure to check them all with PlugShare before I left. Overall, great experience. The Rivian R1T performed perfectly. Didn't have a single issue. So long distance trips are possible. Just do some planning. Remember, like and subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.